Hey guys, before we get into the video, I'm just going to jump in here and just make one quick note. The intro is a little bit long. I kind of just ramble a little bit because it's kind of late and I'm going a little bit slow. So I'm going to throw a timestamp when the actual build starts, and you guys can jump there.
What is up, everybody in YouTube? It is Birdie here with another video, and today's video is going to be a lifestyle video. You guys have asked me to do a lifestyle video or more lifestyle videos. I think this is considered a lifestyle video. This is more like a sneakerhead essentials video. Just real quick, I'm going to do. It's like 3 a.m. right now, and I can't sleep. You can tell I'm big chilling right now. but I figured right now while I'm big chilling and it's 3 a.m. I might as well do something productive, like film a video. A sneakerhead essentials video right here. I did pick this up off of Amazon, and this was only like $35, so it was actually a really good deal, and it holds like 50 pairs of shoes. So we're gonna set this up, see how it looks, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with sneakers. So we're here in my living room. It's not 100% done yet, but if you guys want to see how dope it's gonna be, definitely subscribe because this back wall is gonna look pretty sick pretty soon. But let's just jump into it. Also, this is going to be linked in the description if any of you guys want to pick it up. I do recommend it, and that Amazon link does help this channel. Please consider using that. But let's get into it, guys. You know, I'm not even gonna lie, dog. I wanna just put my headphones in right now and just vibe to my music because it's 3 a.m. and I can't wake up my roommate. So. Gonna put some Gunna on. Oh, I guess it's actually almost 4, but right now we're listening to some Gunna Wanna with some Young Thug. But y'all see that photo right there? Ooh, I took that in New York. Follow me on the gram if you want to see some more sick ass photos like that. Alright, so it looks like we have several of these smaller rods right here. They're like kind of sound like a metal rod, and then we have several longer rods. And then as far as the actual fabric that's holding it up, it's kind of like a nylon. I don't know, it feels like very cheap recycled material, which it is, you know, it is cheap. That's why we're here for deals, guys, we're for bargains. That's what this is all about right here. So this is essentials for a bargain. So let's build it. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie, these are some of the shittiest instructions I've seen too. It just has 1, 2, 3, and it doesn't even really tell you anything. So in order to be efficient, what I'm gonna do is put the rods through these first, so they're already ready. So it's just easier to assemble on top. Yes, sir. So that's one right there. Let's do another. So these are the little pieces that it comes with right here. Yeah, just these little, not clear, but they're like a milky white plastic. And you have like your rod right here as well, like a black plasticky metal. I don't even know, honestly, but you just put it in here like that. You can twist it in there. Make sure it's deep in there. You can see that right there. And this is your bottom legs right here. And then this is just like your in-between size right here to go. So basically now that we have everything prepped, we're basically just gonna put it all together. If you have a brain, it's pretty easy. You just kind of do the math, you put it on top and you just put it together, put it on top, put it together, all that. So just watch me do it.
As you guys can see, the audio was not working right here, but I'm basically talking, saying that one piece is missing. And then right here in this clip, I'm showing you what the finished product looks like, basically without the one missing rod. Now, I also forgot to turn on the mic when I was filming the outro, so basically I'm just talking to nobody. But basically what I'm saying is you can just actually email Amazon and they'll send you a replacement part free of charge. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, and I do recommend that to anybody if that does happen to them. Amazon's really good with customer service. But yeah, this is the shelf right here. I'm going to throw up one picture. I don't currently have it filled up right now in my room, but it's just currently sitting there with a few sneakers on deck. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. I post videos on Monday and Thursdays. Comment down below if you guys like this little shelf or any other recommendations. If you guys like this video like in itself of a lifestyle video, let me know as well, and I'll consider posting more of this content. But that's gonna do it for me, guys. So stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.